Hello, Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2020, and as a resolution, I thought I'd share with you one tune a week which is interesting or has some weird variations or something like that. So, this first tune is a jig and it's called Tá an Coileach ag Fógairt an leath, which means when the cock crows it is day, or when the rooster proclaims that it is the day. So it has some lyrics which I'll put in the comment section. So it's a song. It's been around since, I think, at least the 1850s, possibly earlier, and was made popular in recent-ish times by the piper Seamus Ennis. So in the second bit, especially when it's played on the pipes, there's like some rooster sounds, basically, that happen. So it's a jig, it's in the key of G.